Tractors, the workhorses of modern agriculture. These incredible machines have transformed farming, enabling us to produce more food with less effort. Join us as we explore the fascinating history of tractors, from their steam-powered origins to today's high-tech marvels. Before tractors, farming was labor-intensive, relying heavily on human and animal labor. The first significant breakthrough came with steam engines, transforming how fields were ploughed and crops harvested. In the 1850s, British engineer John Fowler developed one of the first successful steam ploughs. These early machines were enormous and cumbersome, but marked the beginning of mechanized farming. Despite their size and cost, they paved the way for future innovations. In 1892, American inventor John Froelich built the first gasoline-powered tractor, a pivotal moment in tractor history. John Froelich's tractor was revolutionary. It was lighter, more reliable, and easier to operate than steam tractors. This invention set the stage for the development of more practical and widely used farming machinery. In 1901, Charles Hart and Charles Parr founded the Hart-Parr Company, which produced the first commercially successful gasoline traction engine. Known as the founders of the tractor industry, their designs laid the foundation for modern tractors with reliable, powerful internal combustion engines. As the 20th century dawned, the demand for more efficient farming equipment grew. Companies like Ford and John Deere entered the market, producing tractors that were more affordable and accessible. The Fordson Model F, introduced in 1917, became the first mass-produced tractor, revolutionizing agriculture. The Fordson Model F was a game-changer, offering small and medium-sized farmers an affordable and reliable mechanized option. Around the same time, John Deere introduced the Waterloo Boy, further establishing itself as a leader in agricultural machinery. In 1918, the International Harvester Company introduced the power take-off system. This innovation allowed tractors to power attached implements directly, making them more versatile and efficient. Let's see how it works. The power take-off system transmits mechanical power from the tractor's engine to attached implements via a splined output shaft. This output shaft is located at the back of the tractor, and by spinning this shaft it can transfer engine power to its implements like mowers, balers, and other machinery, enhancing their versatility and efficiency. This made farming operations much more efficient and reduced the need for separate engines for different implements. In 1924, International Harvester introduced the Farmall tractor, the first row crop tractor that could perform both light and heavy tasks. The Farmall's versatility, ease of use, and innovative design made it immensely popular and set new standards in tractor functionality. The Farmall tractor's design allowed farmers to use it for a variety of tasks, from ploughing to planting to cultivating. Its ability to handle different row crops efficiently helped revolutionize farming practices in the United States and beyond. No discussion of tractor history is complete without mentioning Harry Ferguson. In the 1930s, he developed the three-point hitch system, a revolutionary innovation that allowed for better control and efficiency when attaching implements to tractors. Harry Ferguson's three-point hitch system makes it easy for tractors to use different tools. It has 3 strong arms, 2 at the bottom and 1 at the top, forming a triangle. Farmers attach tools like plows or mowers to these arms. The tractor can then lift or lower the tools using hydraulics, a system that uses liquid to create movement. This setup makes it safer and quicker to change tools and helps the tractor work better by sharing the tool's weight, making farming tasks like digging, planting and harvesting much easier and faster. Meanwhile, Allis-Chalmers introduced the Model U, which at first glance was not a very advanced tractor. However, one single component made it innovative: pneumatic rubber tires. This innovation provided better traction and a more comfortable ride, a significant improvement over steel wheels. In 1938, Harry Ferguson entered into a historic handshake agreement with Henry Ford. This informal yet impactful partnership allowed Ferguson to use Ford's extensive manufacturing facilities to produce tractors equipped with his innovative three-point hitch system. The result was the highly successful Ford Ferguson 9N tractor, which debuted in 1939. The Ford Ferguson 9N combined Ford's manufacturing expertise with Ferguson's groundbreaking hitch system, making it one of the most influential tractors of its time. This collaboration not only advanced tractor technology, but also set new standards for farm equipment. Post-World War II, the agricultural industry saw significant technological advancements. Tractors became more powerful and versatile with the introduction of diesel engines, hydraulic systems, and power steering. These innovations drastically improved farm productivity and efficiency. In the UK, Harry Ferguson's TE20, launched in 1946, brought a revolution with its three-point hitch system. This tractor popularized the system around the world, and it quickly became an international standard for tractors of all makes and sizes that has remained to this day. Little Grey Fergie, as the tractor also was called, was making it easier to attach and control implements. The 1950s and 60s were a golden era for tractor innovation. Companies introduced models that featured advanced hydraulics, increased horsepower, and greater reliability, making them indispensable tools for farmers worldwide. The 1970s and 80s brought further advancements in tractor technology. Four-wheel drive systems became more and more common, and turbocharged engines increased the power and efficiency of tractors. These four-wheel drive tractors were particularly useful for large-scale farming operations, allowing for more efficient plowing and planting. In the 1990s and early 2000s, the focus shifted towards improving operator comfort and precision farming capabilities. Brands introduced ergonomic cabins with air conditioning and advanced electronic control. Today, tractors are technological marvels. Tractors are equipped with GPS, automated steering systems, and real-time data monitoring. These advancements enable precision farming, ensuring tasks like planting and harvesting are done with exceptional accuracy. Looking to the future, tractors are set to become even more advanced. Innovations such as autonomous tractors, electric powertrains, and AI-driven decision-making tools are on the horizon. These advancements promise to further enhance agricultural productivity and sustainability. From steam engines to smart technology, the evolution of tractors is a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of progress. These machines have not only revolutionized farming, but have also played a crucial role in shaping our modern world. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of tractors. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights into the world of agriculture and technology.